In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay yourself QuickBooks. If you're an owner using QuickBooks Online Payroll, I'll walk you through setting yourself up and running your own paycheck from start to finish. First, sign in and open payroll, then employees. Choose, add an employee and create your profile. Enter your legal information, your address, and direct deposit details if you want to be paid electronically. When QuickBooks asks about how you get paid, select salary. It keeps your owner pay consistent and is recommended for most owners on payroll. Continue through the tax setup so QuickBooks knows your filing status, your state, and any local requirements. A quick note here, make sure your business entity actually puts owners on payroll. Corporations typically do, while some sole proprietors take draws instead. If you're not sure, check with your accountant before you proceed. With your profile saved, it's time to run your paycheck. Click Run Payroll, choose the correct pay period and payday, and confirm your salary amount. Review the withholdings that appear, Social Security, Medicare, and any federal and state income tax, so you know exactly what's coming out. Take a moment to double check your net pay, your funding account, and the direct deposit lead time to ensure money lands on the date you picked. When everything looks right, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks processes the pay and automatically records the accounting, wage expense, payroll tax expense, and the payroll liabilities owed to the agencies. After payroll runs, handle the taxes, go to taxes, then payroll tax, review what's due and the deadlines, and select pay to send those liabilities. If autopay is turned on and your e-file and e-pay authorizations are complete, QuickBooks will file and pay automatically each period, so you won't need to return here every time. A couple of practical tips as you go. Set a recurring payroll schedule to avoid missed deadlines. Keep your tax setup current if you move or add a location, and run a quick payroll summary now and then to confirm your salary and withholdings. If direct deposit is new, allow the initial bank verification before your first payday. That's it. Add yourself to employees, run payroll, and pay or auto-pay your taxes. Follow along in your own account, and you'll be paying yourself confidently in minutes.